Hi, you guys. It's your girl, Simply Sweetness. I'm back to you with another mukbang. Yes. I have right here a nice little quick little shrimp boil. So, only thing that's in here is potatoes, shrimp, and eggs. Boiled eggs. So I'm doing a small little something today. So, got my lemon. Got my ice water. So yesterday I came to you guys with the hot noodle challenge. Oh my God, y'all. It was a lot. It was a lot. It was a lot. But it was fun though. I want to be able to get my son in with a little more of my videos so he can get a hang of it in case he wants to go into it. This is some Beloved sauce. Been following her for a very, very long time. She has amazing content. Put that down over there. I was trying to be cute with it. Use my chopsticks so that I won't mess up my fingers. I'm already burning up hot in this house. I called myself opening the patio, but flies kept coming in. I'm like, yeah, no. Nobody got time for that. Yeah. This is some good sauce. So, I have been, ooh, that's hot. I've been trying to build my channel, and I've joined YouTubers groups and such, and I've subscribed to a lot of people, and a few people have subscribed to me. I just want to be able to get to know some of the YouTubers and possibly do some collabs, because it ain't nothing like getting to know fellow YouTubers, especially mukbangers. That's who I really want to get to know, some fellow mukbangers, because you'll need that support from people who understand the struggle of building. Ooh. I used to wonder why people were sitting there blowing all the time. They stuff. Now I get it. I used to be like, it couldn't be that hot, but woo, it is. Ooh. Boy, it. That boiled egg tastes so good in this sauce. think I made mine a little too spicy. Woo. Oh, it is so good. I'm trying to get down to the bottom, but it's so hot that I can't get down there. My onions and the ginger. With the sweet and the spicy. It's so good. Y'all, I want y'all to eat with me. Like, if you have to, pause it, go get you something to eat, and just eat with me. It don't have to be the exact same thing I'm eating. If it is, great, but if not, it doesn't have to be. I just want to be able to break bread with y'all. I wish I had some corn. I totally forgot to cook me some corn. Can't believe I forgot corn. I was standing in line at Sam's Club last week. And was I at Sam's Club? No, I was at Walmart. Sorry. I was standing in line at Walmart. And there was this lady. She was walking around filling up a cart. Trying to buy her some groceries. No, wait. Back up. I was walking through Walmart doing my shopping. I came in encounter with this lady. She was riding her cart around. You know, and I was on the phone, so I didn't pay her no mind, really. But I ended up in line behind her. And she was asking the lady ahead of her to pay for her groceries. The lady was like, I can give you something on your groceries, but I can't buy them all. This was an elderly lady. She had her grandkids with her. I felt really bad because that's a test of faith to go to a grocery store and just hope that somebody help you with your groceries. There was 3 people behind me, 2 people in front of her, and we all just band together to help her buy her groceries. Because that's got to be hard. Now, it was another guy behind me. He made the comment, it's probably what she do all the time. I ain't think nothing of it because I've never seen nobody do it before. I remember something my fiance told me. He said, when you're doing the Lord's work, it's not your job to wonder what they're going to do with that money or whatever once you give it to them. Your job is to just give and let the Lord take care of them. That just rang in my head. Because I'm usually like, you ain't going to use my money for this, that, and the other. But you'll never be able to know. You know what I'm saying? You'll never be able to know who's in need. I ain't rich. You know. But I feel like if we help each other, people start to pass that on. Just like ignorance is passed on, just like discrimination is passed on, you know, all the negative stuff that people follow on the internet, positivity is passed on too. Now that I'm at the point that I'm at in my life, positivity is the main thing that's important to me. Being able to provide for my family and being around people who's positive and doing something with their life, because that motivates you to do something with your life. You ever heard the whole saying, you hang with you know what, you become you know what? Take it into consideration. Because when you hang around who you aspire to be, you end up becoming that and above that. Because you got people around you that's doing some positive things. And that's important for your growth. I didn't want to hear that when I was younger. I didn't want people to, you know, because I was the type of person that I didn't judge people. I hung with people I hung with people that nobody else wanted to hang around. I made friends with people who sat by themselves or was shy, or them the people who I gravitated to because I've been that person before. I've been a new girl in school. I've been the black sheep. I've been the person, you know, who, you know, nobody wanted to hang with. Because my background was different from a lot of other people. I grew up in the South Shore and the Woodline area of Chicago. So I grew up in a dangerous environment. Not just that, I was a really naive kid. You know, I had to learn my own way. I had to do things my own way. So that's how I learned life lessons. And I had to do it the hard way. But when you get past all of that and realize everything you went through that was hard for you, the Lord brought you through it, you kind of want to be a blessing to other people. You know, I'm not trying to preach to nobody or nothing like that, but I'm a mother. And I try to, you know, teach my girls these same core values, that life is short and being positive and staying in prayer and stuff like that makes your life better. Something to look forward to, something to help you grow. You gotta help people because you never know what somebody's going through. Oh, another thing. Check on your friends that you feel like is the strong ones of the group. That you feel like they got it together and they never need no help. Check on those friends. Them be those friends that's so used to everybody leaning on them. Them the ones that be really going home and depressed and, you know, stressed out because they holding the weight of everybody on their shoulders. Check on those friends. That hot stuff go to the back of your throat. Check on y'all elders too. Our elders are a bunch of strong women who are not used to depending on nobody. And they not going to ask for no help. So when you think, oh, my grandma good, oh, my granddad good, you don't know that. They probably don't want to burden you, so they don't ask for anything. So if you reach out and check on them, or just take them some groceries. A little bit goes a long way. I'm a Pisces, so I can be a little oblivious to what other people's going through. I can even be selfish at times and petty. But everybody has their struggle. Everybody has their struggle. And it's the change that you try to put into it that makes you who you are. Almost done. Just seafood boil sauce left and the egg, 2 shrimp. Anyway. I appreciate all the support. Thank you to my new subbies. I want to ask that you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get updates on all my new mukbangs. Y'all see me sweating? It's hot. Subscribe, share, like, comment, talk to me. I'll answer back. New people, if you subscribe to me, put subscribe in the comments and I'll subscribe to you if you have a channel. I'm all for helping other people and other new YouTubers build their channel because it takes a village. Nobody got to where they got to on their own. Everybody had somebody to help them out. So I'm down for the cause. Okay, that's the end. Again, thank you all for joining in with me today. I appreciate all of the support and the love I've been getting. Like I said, I can't stress this enough. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, share. I do not mind anyone sharing my videos. But thank you so much and you have a blessed day. Thanks.